flight in which her lover was shot.
Ferry for the President, and across the cam comes Mr. Langton of Cambridge, ready for another morning's practice with his crew. Unless you're very young, you'll probably recall that Cambridge used to win the boat race with some regularity. This spell of rowing may impress you with their prospects for 1938. How do the boat race crews kill time in training? Well, sometimes they enjoy a little relaxation by the seaside. At Thorpeness, the light blues take things very quietly, reading and walking a bit and breaking none of the rules. As to their prospects, Mr. Langton is a guarded fellow.
I'm not prepared to say who's likely to win the boat race, or whether we're a good crew or not. We're extraordinarily happy together and thoroughly enjoying ourselves, and that's half the battle. Oh, it's more than half the battle, 3/4 of the battle.
Meanwhile, Cambridge compete for the honor of representing their university